If one hand always feels weaker, slower, or more tense, try this. It's called mirror practice. It's fun, it's easy, and the goal is simple. Make both hands sound and feel the same. Grab your pad, we start in 5 seconds. Well done, simple exercise, but not easy if you really focus on making both hands sound and feel the same. The goal is to make your weaker hand copy the motion, sound, rebound, and relaxation of your stronger hand. Try this exercise for 7 days and pay attention to how your weakened hand feels. Then come back and comment 7 days and tell me if it feels different. And by the way, if you still struggle to play with the metronome, you rush your feels or fall apart when you try to play a song, I'm building something called the Backbeat Code System. Inside the system, you're gonna learn how to play in time, how to connect grooves and fills, fix the weak spots in your playing, and finally practice in a way that's gonna make you play real songs with confidence. You can join the waitlist using the link in the description below. Now watch this lesson right here, next, and keep learning. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.